Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to apply for permanent residency in Singapore. First, in order to apply for permanent residency, you need to have a job and you need to be working in Singapore. So let me get on to the first two most important work passes, which is the employment pass and the S pass. So if you have an S pass, you can apply for permanent residency and also in employment pass. In S pass, you need to work at least 2 years, and if you have an employment pass, you can apply at least by 1 year. But the minimum requirement to apply for PR is 6 months in Singapore. And additionally, you can go through agents who can help you to apply for Singapore, and you don't have to apply yourself. Just need to give the proper documentation and they will do it for you, and you need to pay an agent fee for that. Also, there are some volunteering that you can do if you want to further increase your chances to get the PR. You can do some donations, you can help out with the Red Cross. Some kind of donation will also help your application. So in the next video I will explain how to find a job in Singapore. So if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.